Okay, we're gonna just jump right in. What we have here, as you can see, this is the voice box, wrapped in its own anesthetic bag. An incredibly well-made piece. Comes with a piece of safety plastic over the front to protect it from scratches until you use it. On the back, a very well laid out circuit board utilizing the ZA Electronics Molex plugs to make installing them very, very easy to do. And just a remarkable piece. Now let's move on to the switch pods. Switch pods are made with the same type of layout, except in these switch pods you can actually use them to control functions. If you look at the circuit board on the back here, you'll see a raised area where the little push buttons will activate those functions. Again, absolutely beautiful. The artwork on the switch pods is perfect. Let's say we'll move on to the next one. And again, this is made in the same way as the one we just looked at. Now, this little audio connecting bundle we will look at later once we clear it out. We're just looking at the major components now. This is a little switch panel, I guess, little micro switches to control some functions, which we will look at again, as I said, later. Yes, now the piece de resistance, which is the pre-labeled and terminated wiring assemblies. Now, what's really cool about these, as you see, they are Molex plugs, and they are very clearly labeled. One side says, voice box, and it gives you a number, tells you which way they need to be installed. Probably one of the greatest things to happen to dashboard electronics. This is a note warning you to correctly install your MP3 player, or you could damage it. Again, look at the attention to detail, a custom cut foam panel to nest those parts in safely during transport. And these things just completely blow me away. These is the tachometer and speedometer boards. And look at this, absolutely beautiful work, already pre-mounted to aluminum panels, which are pre-angled. They are pre-slotted to help you install them into your dash. The overlays are aluminum textured. The artwork is silkscreen on there beautifully. Let's just move on now to the tachometer board. There we are. Now the tachometer board is made just like the Speedo board. Look at that, beautiful aluminum overlays, a pre-bent aluminum mounting. The circuit, of course, quality, which we'll look at later, is very, very well laid out. On these, you can actually press the power button. It's not just a non-functional light like on other vendors' electronics. Coming up in the next videos, we're going to be looking at these individually, one by one.